My name's John DeGata. This is a 1968 Bronco. I bought the original in 2016 out of Cave Creek, Arizona. Drove out there, looked at it, offered him. The engine didn't work, tub was in good condition. Trailered it back to California. My brother-in-law is one of the best builders of all different types of cars now, but he'd done probably 10 or 15 different Broncos, and he helped me literally strip it completely down. New engine, new interior, new roll cage, paint, primer, body, wheels, differentials, rear ends, you name it. So it's been a 10-year, and we're still in the process. We have 456s in the back, and then I've got to get the 456 gear in the front. Probably going to put a Dana 44 in the front axle, but outside a little suspension, that's about it. I mean, that'll be complete. It's got twin sticks. It's a manual 5-speed, brand new 302 engine, and it hits when you hit that pedal. It rolls.